Morning everybody, I am Sylvia the Crafty Old Lady, and today I want to commemorate or remember our little outing to the celebration of the 200th anniversary of this covered bridge near Cooperstown, New York. It is the oldest bridge in the United States. It's on the estate of Hyde Hall, which is this, where is it? Let's see. This home right here is also 200 years old. It's a museum now. And this is the view from their porch, their side porch. That is Otsego Lake or Glimmerglass Lake. Oops. It's so beautiful there. So it's in the state park, actually. Glimmerglass State Park. This is also the bridge that we went through, they were celebrating. And so I got some pictures and lots of stickers and stuff from that day that I want to remember and put in my journal. So I'm thinking, oh, and this is the first thing you saw. And on the other side of this sign, it says that there were bear sightings, recently bear sightings. So it was mostly for the campers. We weren't in the camping area, though. So anyway, what I thought I would do is, actually, yeah, maybe I'll put this one first, because that's where we were. And then I'll put these other brochures behind it and in a pocket, and put my two pictures that I have of the bridge. That's the inside of the bridge. Most of it is, I don't know the percentage of how much is restored and how much is original, but there is still some original parts to this bridge. So, I don't know, maybe I'll put this on the front of the pocket. I'm going to do something on the front of the pocket, but that's going to be my first page. So I need to, or maybe I should get a bag. Maybe I'll do that. So I found these two bags, and I think that would be okay in that. This one would cover the whole page. This one would not cover the whole page. You'd still be able to see some of it behind there, and I think it is big enough for the, like tall enough for the pamphlets. So I think what I'll do is go ahead and put like that there, and then maybe these like this for the first page. I do believe that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put some Fabri-Tac on the back of the bag and get that started. It was a nice little celebration. They had some senators and some congressmen and different officials from the area, the park officials and all that kind of stuff. Those people were there. There was a band and I don't know what you call it. Chorus? What do you call them? I don't know. But a group of high school kids singing. They sang the national anthem. Choir. I don't know why I couldn't think of that word. It was the high school choir. And that was nice. And also, I do have some pictures of, they had a horse and wagon ride. They had a food truck. Again, just one food truck, but it wasn't gator meat. Thank goodness. They actually had some vegetarian things that I could eat. Oh, what else? Car show, antique car show, music, and it was nice. It was really nice, and it was a gorgeously beautiful day. So that was nice. Now it's raining, but we do really desperately need the rain. So that's going to go like that. Then over here, I have a couple of postcards that I was thinking of just putting down so that we can flip up, and maybe putting some of the other pictures on these sides. And I definitely do think that's what I'm going to do. So first, let's see what pictures we're going to put down on there. Maybe this one. I can cut this one. You can see the little tent where the ceremony was going on. There were seats all behind here, and then the tent was where we got all the ephemera. But I think I can cut this down because I only want to see the bear sign, you know? Let's see. Where's my little cutter? So I want to fit a few things on this. I think I'll keep it like that so we can see the background there. Maybe just cut a little tiny bit off the top. Okay, I think that's good. That can go there. And then this was the plaque by the bridge. I think that should fit here too. They can both fit on there nicely. Okay, let's do that. So I've got these two on here. I also have some guys working on my furnace here, so I shut it off for a minute. Oh, here's the ceremony. You can see the choir right in there. Oops, right in there is the choir. I think I can put that, maybe, I don't know, maybe I'll put it here. I don't need to see everything on there. I could cut the top off though. Yeah, maybe I'll cut some of the top off so it'll fit on there better. Okay, so that writing is going to be, is it going to be upside down? Yeah, the writing will be upside down when I tape it down. I hope you're all happy, healthy, and safe. We had a good weekend. It was Bethany's birthday party weekend, so we'll put that there for now. And we had a good time, and I will tell you all about it in the next, see, we got some cars here, which I think we can also cut down slightly. I'll tell you all about it when I actually do the memory keeping layout for that, for her birthday. So we got this, and I kind of want to keep these two together, so I think we'll definitely keep those together. And then these should all be together too. This was all from the house that was on the estate. So I guess we'll just go ahead and glue this down here. Got some business cards and some other stickers that I want to add. So put that there. I wonder, maybe I could put a business card there. This was the business card from the food truck. And this is a business card from Covered Bridge Resource Center. That's too big though. I don't think anything else is going to fit on that. I also have the map of the area and the program for the program. So this is everything that was happening. And that's the map of the area. So I guess this is the covered bridge right here. And this is where the horse was going around, just red arrows. This is where the food truck was. This is where the mansion is. So yeah, I want to keep that. That I might have to make a new pocket for. I also want to use this and have it as a flip up, like that. So let's go ahead and tape these down. I'm just going to use Scotch tape for that. I want to be able to see everything on it. Oops, I need to move it over just a teensy bit. Okay, so we've got that one. And we'll get this one down. We'll make sure we have it over far enough. And we'll do the undersides. Okay. We can definitely, I think I'll just go ahead and put these two here. I think that would work out good. Oops. I think I smell my furnace coming on. I do. It always smells pretty gross the first time you turn it on every year. Okay, so that's going to go just like that. I have this sticker, but I think it's too big. I think all my stickers are too big for this. So I think for now we'll leave that as it is. Uh-oh, uh-oh. This did not get moved over. Took it far enough. Okay. Oh boy. Oh dear. All right, well, that got moved. Let's go ahead and move this over some more. Oh, that's the wrong side. Okay. It should be like this now. I feel like, for some reason, this one has to be over farther than that one. Okay, so that's that page. I feel like I need to put something here. Oh, not too close. I don't want it over. Oh, that doesn't look good. Let's get that off. Start all over. Okay. There we go. Okay. All right. Oh, actually, I could put something under here too, like this sticker. And maybe this. Maybe I'll just go ahead and put this down. Another little flip up under there. There. So that we got everything we need there. I might add some stickers here and here eventually. So this one's going to be a flip up right here. So I'm going to flip it over to the other side maybe. Maybe I should. Yeah, let's do that. Oops. Make sure it's straight. Keeps moving. Okay, I think that's good. Put one on this side. And we'll figure out what we're going to put down under here. I've got lots of the... Oh, I still have these photos, which I will put on here, I think. Will they all fit? Ugh, look at that. 4 of them fit. Maybe I'll just go ahead and put one right there. All right, let's go ahead and glue these. What would happen if I could maybe kind of do that? Yeah, I think that is what I'll do. All right, stagger them a little bit so they'll all fit on there. Okay. And we're just going to put this one like that. Whoops, such a beautiful view from there. There's a side porch, like over here. And it was so beautiful. And this is the view, right here. Okay. All right, we'll put this one here. And this one can just go right here. And now I just have to also figure out where to put all the stickers. Which I guess putting them here wouldn't be bad. I still have these 3 business cards and these stickers. So let's just go ahead. There's all kinds of like little park type agencies. Oh, look at that. Did not see that coming. That had tables and like booths in the tent giving away all this stuff. So I just took whatever I could take for my journal. It's a good way of, you know, memory keeping with free stuff. Of course, I can't get this one off. What I think I'll do is take the rest of the stickers apart and show you when we're done. So I do hear my furnace running, yay. And I think since I have this map of Otsego County and this thing of the celebration, I'm going to just put this envelope right here, like I did the other one. Or not envelope, bag. They used to sell these at Dollar Tree, but they don't anymore. So I'll put this down here like this. And I'm going to put this in here. That's good. And we have New York State Park Police. There's not much on this side, so I think I can just go ahead and glue that down. Otsego Outdoors. Connecting you with year-round opportunities to enjoy outdoors in Otsego County. I think I'll put that down like that. And I don't know, I kind of don't want to cover that side up, so I think I'm just going to put this one in the envelope, or in the pocket too. I don't know why I keep calling it an envelope. And I'm going to glue these 2 down. Uh-oh, it looks like it's going to change the color. I hope it doesn't ruin it. And we'll put this one here. And I think that completes this layout. All right, so I think I'm going to actually take the opportunity to find some stickers from here to put here and here. We got some nice mushrooms there, but I'm thinking, I don't know what I'm thinking actually. Oh, this is a cute little squirrel. Let's put this squirrel down. And I like that the background is white. It might blend in better with the background being white. And let's see what else we can find. She's kind of cute. I wonder if there's any kind of bridges or anything in here. How about a old, whatever that is? I don't know. Oh, here's some more animals. Let's just go ahead and let's put this bunny there. Oh, I ripped it a little bit. It's not working out so great for me. Yeah. All right, I think that looks cute. Do you see that? Yeah. Squirrel and bunny, they're going to go there. And what else? Maybe something here and here. How about a bee? This bee? I don't know, maybe not. Maybe not a bee. Maybe a fairy or something. Oh, look at these ladies. They're too big, though. Fairy's too big. Oh my goodness. I don't know. I was thinking that, but I think that's maybe not too big. Let's find out. Let's check. Oh no, it fits. That's cute. We'll put her there. She can be the mistress of the house. Need something small. How about this for here? I feel like I need to put something in these 3 spots too, though. I do kind of like this little acorn thing. Be careful, be careful. I think that would have to go up here. Uh-oh. Ugh. Oh well. What are you going to do? Maybe just one little acorn. Or this leaf, maybe. I don't know, I think the leaf might be too wide. We'll put this here. And just one more little thing over there. Snail? Maybe not. How about a little butterfly? Here we go. Let's try this little yellow butterfly. Okay, I think that's good. So there. We've got this page with the pamphlets and a sticker and the photos that I took. We've got the postcards with the photos that I took and the stickers. I probably could have put stickers here too, but I think we'll be done with stickers. And then we have this page that we just did. The stickers from the different groups that were there. And this page with another bag and some more information, the map and stuff in there. So that's it for this layout. I hear my furnace is on and going strong, so thank goodness for that. And thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your support, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye-bye.